In this video, I'll compare two really powerful research tools for any e-commerce business, Dropship Spy and SaleSource. Now, if you're running any type of e-commerce business, whether it's dropshipping, Amazon FBA, or anything else, using the right research tools to find the best products to sell and also being able to learn from your competitors is a game changer for your business. At the same time, using the wrong tool is a great way to waste a lot of time and money. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so I can help you make the right decision. I'm going to cover important information about each of these tools one at a time, including product discovery features, supplier database, pricing and subscription costs, automation features, and much more. For your convenience, I've included the links to both Dropship Spy and SaleSource in the description below so you can check them out. And now let's get started. Dropship Spy shines in its product discovery capabilities. It provides a well-organized interface where users can explore really potential hot products that might take off in your business. The platform offers several sections like winning products, promising products, and Instagram influencers, which provide curated insights into trending items. Users can also filter products based on specific niches, popularity, and potential profitability, making it much easier to make targeted decisions. But what about market analysis? Well, the tool offers detailed market analysis features, including engagement rates, potential reach, and competition scores for each product. Dropship Spy also gives an insight into the advertising trends associated with each product, allowing users to gauge market saturation and determine the best timing for entry. What about integration with other platforms? Well, Dropship Spy provides straightforward integration options with Shopify, which I've actually linked in the description below if you want to check it out. It facilitates easy product import and listing. However, its integration capabilities might feel limited compared to some other competitors since it primarily focuses on Shopify without extensive support for other e-commerce platforms like WooCommerce or Amazon. So if you are using Shopify, then you're pretty much set with Dropship Spy. What about their supplier database? Well, the platform offers a section on suppliers, including recommended suppliers for each product listed. Although it does not feature a comprehensive supplier database like some tools, it provides essential contact information and reliability ratings, which can really help in making informed supplier choices. But what about their pricing and profitability tools? So Dropship Spy includes a profit calculator with each product to help users understand potential profit margins based on cost and recommended retail prices. This feature is instrumental in making quick assessments about the financial viability of different products. But what about their user interface and ease of use? Dropship Spy has a very clean and intuitive interface. It's user-friendly and especially great for beginners. The dashboard is straightforward, and finding products or navigating through different sections is relatively seamless. What about customer support and community? Well, Dropship Spy offers customer support via email, and they have a growing community on social media platforms where users can exchange tips and experiences. While the support is reliable, it may not be quite as immediate as a lot of live chat options that some other tools provide, but they do have this chat with us where you can kind of, contact a bot and you can get some information as well. What about their pricing structure? Like how much does it cost? What does that look like? So as you can see on their pricing plans, they literally just have one pricing structure, one membership that you can get, which is called the Pro membership, and it's $39 a month. You can get the monthly subscription, or if you get the yearly one, it comes out to $119 a year, which means you're saving $350. And so you can see what's included in this subscription. If you want to try it out, you can actually use the link in the description and sign up. What about the automation features though of Dropship Spy, right? How can you use it for automation in your business? Well, the automation features in Dropship Spy are kind of minimal, focusing mainly on product discovery and analysis rather than the full spectrum of different operations that you would do in your dropshipping business, like auto ordering or inventory management. But what about their analytics and reporting? So Dropship Spy provides basic analytics related to product performance and potential market reach. However, the depth of reporting might not satisfy those looking for detailed business intelligence and advanced metrics. What about the mobile app availability? Well, currently Dropship Spy doesn't offer a mobile app, so that could be a downside for people who want to kind of manage their business on their phone while they're on the run, but that might get added in the future. So what do users have to say overall about Dropship Spy? The user feedback is largely positive, with particular praise for the effective product scouting and the ease of use, but there are some people who complained about not having a wider platform integration and missing out on some more advanced analytics features that some other tools provide, which I've actually mentioned in this channel that you're watching. You can check out some of my other videos. Dropship Spy is a solid choice for dropshippers focused on uncovering promising products and understanding marketing trends, particularly if you use Shopify. SaleSource excels in product discovery, offering a rich array of tools that helps users identify trending products across major e-commerce platforms, whether it's AliExpress, Shopify, and others. The platform provides deep insights into product popularity, seasonal trends, and niche-specific opportunities, enabling users to make data-driven decisions about their product lines. What about market analysis? Well, market analysis with SaleSource is robust, featuring detailed insights into product demand, competitive analysis, and pricing strategies. Users can access real-time data on how similar products perform, which is critical for adjusting marketplace strategies and to ensure that you are competitive with your pricing. But how does it integrate with other platforms? SaleSource offers excellent integration capabilities, especially if you're using Shopify. Users can seamlessly import products into their Shopify stores and synchronize inventory and pricing updates. While it primarily focuses on Shopify, you can also use the valuable data on other e-commerce platforms that you get from SaleSource. What about the supplier database? One of SaleSource's standout features is its comprehensive supplier database. The platform not only identifies suppliers but also provides detailed reviews and reliable ratings. This is super useful for dropshippers that are looking to establish secure and profitable supplier relationships. As far as the pricing and profitability tools go, you get advanced tools for calculating your potential profitability, taking into account various costs such as product price, shipping fees, and potential retail prices. This allows users to forecast their profit margins accurately and make informed pricing decisions. But what about the user interface and ease of use? The user interface of SaleSource is clean and intuitive. New users can find it easy to navigate with well-organized menus and clear, actionable insights. The platform's design is focused on enhancing user experience and making complex data accessible and understandable. So what about their customer support and community? SaleSource offers robust customer support through multiple channels, including live chat, where you can click this help button right here. You can also email them, and they also have a detailed FAQ section. Additionally, it fosters a community of users through its forums and social media groups, where people typically share their tips and best practices, so it's a pretty good community. But now let's talk about what you're probably really interested in, which is their pricing structure, so how much it costs. As you can see, you can pay monthly or yearly. If you pay yearly, you can save a substantial amount of money no matter which plan you use. And so if you look at the plans, you get the starter at $89 a month, professional at $98, advanced at $399, and elite at about $1,000 a month. If you pay yearly, all of these drop, and so you can see what's included in each one of them. I've actually included the link in the description if you want to try it out. They do have a free trial. So what about their automation features? Because that can really make or break your dropshipping business. So SaleSource integrates several automation features like auto syncing of product data, as well as alerts for price changes or new supplier reviews. These features help streamline your operations and keep the business responsive to the changes in market. What about the analytics and reporting? The analytics and reporting capabilities of SaleSource are really good. They're comprehensive. They offer detailed reports on sales trends, product performance, and market opportunities, which are crucial if you want to be strategic with your business and your growth. Now, unfortunately, they don't have a mobile app that you can use. So if you do prefer to manage your business on the go on your phone, then you can't really do that with SaleSource. But more than likely, you're probably using your laptop or computer anyway, so that shouldn't matter. But what do users of SaleSource have to say about it? What kind of reviews and feedback do they get? Well, generally the feedback for SaleSource is quite positive, especially its in-depth product and supplier insights, as well as the user interface, people like that. Some users have expressed a desire for broader platform support beyond Shopify and also a mobile app for on-the-go management, but that's something that might get added in the future. Now, as you can see, both tools have their pros and cons, and the best one for you depends on your specific needs. If you're interested in starting a new e-commerce business, or maybe you want to move your existing business to another platform, I'd recommend Shopify. It's one of the most popular e-commerce platforms in the world, and you can try it out for an entire month for just $1. For your convenience, I've included the links to all tools, platforms, and relevant resources to help you with your business. It's in the description box below. Drop any questions you have in the comment section, and I'll do my best to help you out as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.